Okay, we have a Defum vertical turret lathe, model KNA 110/135A, serial number 6620, new in 1976. It's got a 4-jaw chuck, the turret, side head, new all 2-axis digital readout, and we're gonna run her for you. All right, we're wrapping the head. You can see on the digital readout, works in both axes. Okay. Indexing the turret. Table goes from 3.15 to 200 RPM. What are we running at now? About 50? 50. We're shifting. 10. Okay. Run the feeds. Feeding the y-axis. Other direction. Y-axis, see it on the digital readout. X-axis. And up. Okay. Wrapping the side head up. He's feeding it out. You have to see the handle there. Feeding the head up, the rail up. Side head up. Side head down. Just wrapping it out a little bit. There you go. That's good enough. You don't want to hit anything. Just side head back. Side head down. I guess just show the rail adjustment. Rail adjustment down. And up. Okay, so you saw it feed in all directions, wrap it all directions. You saw the rail move. You saw it shift a couple of different speeds. And so the digital readout worked. Thank you for watching the video.